Hello Firebirds, I'm Daniel Finkhauser and I'm here with
Elijah Ford.
bringing you today GP news from the library. Today is Tuesday, October 22nd. The weather for today is sunny and the current temperature is 71 degrees with a high of 87 degrees.
Today for lunch we're having mozzarella pinwheel with a marinara cup, sunshine carrots, and assorted fruit.
In sports news, both the boys and girls volleyball teams won last night and are moving on to the semifinals at Diamond Canyon on Wednesday. The girls will play first at 4:30 and the boys will follow. We need lots of GP staff and students at DC to support our awesome volleyball teams. Go Firebirds. And here's the joke of the day. What do witches get in hotels? Room service.
That's all we have for announcements today.
Have a terrific Tuesday.
This is Elijah Ford
And Daniel Finkhauser.
signing off for GP News.